How to create custom feeds in the Reddit app. Creating custom feeds on Reddit can be done by following specific subreddits or using third-party tools to create content based on your interest. While Reddit does not have a direct custom feed creation feature, you can tailor your home feed and notifications to show content that aligns with your presence. So here is how you can create your own custom feed. So open the app first. Just like this. To customize your feed, now start by following subreddits that match your interest. Now search for it. Tap onto the search bar at the top, just right here. Then simply type in topics you are interested in. For example, take fitness or movies, just like this, and search for it. Once you find a subreddit you like, simply tap join to follow it. Just like tap on it. And here you can find join now, select it. Now you can follow as many subreddits as you want and they will appear in your home feed. Now after that, sort your feed. After customizing your subreddit feed, you can sort post by top, new, hot or more to better curate the content you see. Now tap sort at the top of your feed to adjust it based on your preference. Tap onto Reddit right here, this small arrow, just like this, and here you can find popular, watch, news, latest. Now simply choose one of these and you can simply get your feed that you want. And that's it. This is how you can create custom feeds in the Reddit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.